Welcome back, guys. Sorry for getting you the updates this month rather late. This has been a very crazy month, and I've been out of town for several projects not related to my YouTube channel, so I haven't had time to sit down and edit all these together, but here it is. This is the 1 year and 2 month update to our 25-way trim restores longevity test. These two panels have been sitting outside 24 hours a day, 7 days a week now for 26 months straight, and it's becoming pretty clear at this point what is going to be your better option for a trim restore. These are different than a trim protector, which I have in a separate test going for those if you want to check those out. As usual, we will foam these panels down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse them, foam them again, and then dry them off before inspection of everything. The last 30 days, as well as the lifetime weather that these panels have seen, is on your screen here. If you do see something you like, please consider buying them through the associates links in the video description, as 100% of the money made from this channel goes right back into buying more products. If you would like to further support the channel, ways to do so are on your screen here. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are getting on. On to the black panel. This has one coat of everything. Really, Armor All Outlet, none of them. Kiwi shoe dye, the $3 shoe dye. It's starting to look rather inconsistent, but it is still pretty dark. The two free methods and the India ink in the upper left there, also doing all right, but I wouldn't suggest using the heat methods. Wipe New, Rust-Oleum Wipe New, and Cerakote, both hanging in there, but Wipe New is actually starting to show some signs of weakness. Cerakote, it has more of a glossy finish, but it is looking all right, and that black stuff looks great. That black stuff is more of a matte finish, and it's a dye. Shine Supply Trim Paint, also somewhat of a matte finish and also a dye. Malco Epic Revive, it's a clear solution intended towards dealers or something like that, but it's doing pretty good, and solution finish starting to look kind of weak. So let's jump over to the other panel. So the gray panel has two coats of everything, and you can see that it's giving everything a run for its money. It's a lot more difficult. You can see the difference between Wipe New and Cerakote, kind of the opposite of what's happening on the black panel. Wipe New is performing better than Cerakote. Cerakote's starting to look pretty faded. That black stuff also looking pretty worse for wear. Malco Epic Revive kind of in the same boat. Very, very weak, but it's still hanging in there. And everything else at this point has failed. So what are your thoughts? Have you guys used any of these? Let me know your experiences, especially if you have gray trim, this garbage Chevy Avalanche trim, which is known for being terrible. Let me know how it's holding up. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.